guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And boy, oh boy, $600 today in profit today. We're going to be showing you guys our entry points, exits, risk management systems behind this trade. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. And guys, this is by far the best trading strategy, the best day trading strategy if you want to make money consistently, and it's simple to do. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years. I've been trading for 7 years, which is crazy to even say. So check it out down below. And we have an awesome summer sale. You guys can use code TRADER for 50% off. We're only going to do it for 5 spots. So check it out down below. Use code TRADER. I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this here. So today, what a day we had. We saw the S&P, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, all of the major blue chip stocks start squeezing up today because the U.S., there's rumored to have a deal with China, and it's a great deal for the United States, which just made the markets exploded. So one of the things when it comes with investing and trading is often any action in the market, like any big move, is often an overreaction. So what I wanted to do was kind of get in on an overvalued point for a short trade. And that's kind of what we did today. So let's go ahead and show you guys here. Now, the trade that we took was actually on Tesla. We've been swing trading, we've been day trading this stock, and it's just one of our bread and butter plays, to be honest with you. So looking at this here, you guys can see this huge gap up where it went from like 300 all the way to 320, literally within an hour. It literally jumped up, gapping up, even highs at 330. Now, obviously, when the market opens, what we saw was this huge sell-off. What this is all of the people taking profit that have been holding this trade for a while, and it squeezed up, so they're covering profit here. So it started getting a lot of selling pressure, and obviously you don't want to short a trade immediately when the market opens, just because we could see a lot more volume. We'll see, a lot more spikes up. It's just a little more volatile. The stock continued to sell off even more and more and more. Found some heavy support here near and around 311 and got some buying pressure. So now the next thing we're looking for is to find support, resistance, and trends. So you guys can see it hits that 50-day EMA line, which is that yellow line. It hits it and we have selling pressure. So it establishes resistance here. Okay, so now it pops up, and now it's actually starting to use it as support here, as you guys can see. So it's hitting it, and we're just getting a lot of buying pressure, and then it rallies its way up here even higher, hitting that 200-day moving average line. Now, the 200-day moving average line is often the hardest resistance and often the hardest support that we'll see. And you guys can see it hits it, and we had this huge breakdown. And this was our short rate here near and around the 317.90 mark. My thought process was the breakdown of the trend, was also the MACD crossover, as you guys can see. And I honestly thought it was just more of an overvalued point for the stock here. So let's go ahead and plan this out. So we entered near and around 317, keeping our stop loss about a little bit higher than the highs, right? Now, our target price, to be honest with you, I thought we were going to get a little more selling pressure back down to that support down in here, which would give a risk and reward of about 2.99, which means you're risking $1 to make about $3. So now here, as this starts selling off, also we did have an overvalued RSI. The RSI was trading at a 70, which historically is an overvalued point. So we had a lot of good things in our favor. The MACD crossover, overvalued RSI, the breakdown of this trend here, and we really haven't seen, we saw this huge amount of buying pressure, right? Let's go ahead and draw this out. We also saw this huge amount of buying pressure squeezing up 2.5% without a real sign of a pullback. A little bit in here, but it rallied up, without any signs of pullback here. So now it's sold off like crazy, covering profit near and around the 315 area. So great trade, $2 per share profit. And one of the main reasons why we shorted is because when you buy a stock, right? Like if we were to go long on this trade, you easily could have made money off it. But one of the issues is since it's already squeezed up 4 or 5% after hours, and now you're getting in when it's, up that high, sometimes we could just see a little more selling pressure. So I honestly look for more short trades than long trades during times like this. And obviously, the biggest thing about trading, find a strategy that works well for you. But for me, it's just using several indicators in our favor to find positions. So hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Make sure you guys like, follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.